Creating a website for your business has never been easier. And with the Zenbusiness website builder, you can have a sleek, professional site up and running in no time. This tutorial will guide you step by step, from logging in to publishing your finished site. To begin, sign in to your account at zenbusiness.com. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to Web Tools. Click on Website, then select Build Site or Edit Site if you've started one already. This will open the website builder and take you right into the design process. Despite its name, the Advanced Website Builder is surprisingly intuitive. It's a powerful yet user-friendly tool, ideal for small business owners who want a custom site without needing any tech skills or hiring a web developer. Before diving in, it helps to have a few essentials ready: your logo, business name, contact information, and a rough idea of the pages you want, like home, services, contact. But don't worry if you're missing any of this. Zenbusiness includes a large stock photo library and industry-specific templates filled with customizable content. Your first task is choosing a template. There are a variety of options sorted by category to make it easy to find one that fits your brand and goals. Once you've picked a template, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen where you can manage your pages. From here, you can rename, add, or delete pages as needed. This is also where you can insert pop-ups, which are perfect for special promotions or announcements. Next, enhance your site using widgets. These are pre-built design and functionality elements that you can simply drag and drop into place. Common widgets include contact buttons like Call Now or Get a Quote, social media links, Twitter, Yelp, Instagram, and visual elements like images, videos, animations, and custom shapes. You'll also find advanced tools like review sections, contact forms, and more. To update any section, just double-click. You can easily change the text, swap out images, or upload your own media. Be sure to review each section to ensure it fits your brand message and looks professional. You can further personalize your website by creating custom pop-ups, adding special deals, or inserting content targeted toward returning visitors. You also have the option to create a blog, which is a great tool for sharing updates and improving your search engine visibility. Speaking of visibility, SEO settings are built right in. You can edit page titles, descriptions, and keywords to help your website rank better on Google. These options are easy to access within each page's settings. Before you publish, go through every page and make sure all your details, especially your contact info, are accurate. Check that any action buttons like Contact Us or Get a Quote are properly linked and functioning. You can even connect your Instagram photo feed to automatically display updates from your account.